So here's another daily tip from your friendly local dermatologist. Let's talk about traction alopecia. Now, traction is what it sounds like. You're pulling on something, there's traction on it. Alopecia is our fancy word for hair loss. And I have seen this, and it breaks my heart when people, because of style trends, braid their hair really tightly. And they have this tension, that's constant traction on the hairs. And what that can do over time is it can kill off the hairs or the hair follicle from producing any hair. And then people are permanently bald from this. And by the time they come to see me, there's little we can do other than transplants or those sorts of things. And that still doesn't work that well. So please, if you have hairstyles where you have a lot of pull on the hair, please stop. Please loosen the braid a little bit, or loosen the weave, or loosen whatever it is that's putting tons of pull on it. And that can even include very long hair. So if your hair comes all the way down to your bottom, all of that weight, that constant pulling, can produce permanent hair loss. So please, let's have the hairstyles that we want, but let's please also make sure that our scalp and our hair itself is healthy and not constantly being pulled on.